Look at that! What is it? Do you know which one's Sophie's?
Yeah.
Which one's Sophie's? Oh, this one over here is Sophie's. Yeah, what's in there? Oh, yeah. Oh, there's lots of stuff in there.
Bubbles.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh, bubbles. Good. What else is in there?
Bubbles.
Well, check out what else is in there and then we'll blow bubbles. What is that? What is it? Yeah.
Chocolate.
Yeah, that's Daddy's. He'll open his in a minute. We're doing Sophie's right now.
No, that's not Daddy's.
That's Thomas's.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can bring it to Thomas. There you go. It's okay. What else is in your stocking? We'll get Thomas later. What else is in there? Yeah. What are those? Those are M&M's. Yeah. What else is in there? What is it? Another M&M, maybe. Pull it out. Let's see. Skittles! Yay, Skittles! Open it.